Hey guys, let's review this ORICO dual protocol M.2 enclosure. This works with NVMe and SATA, so you can just have your SSD drive and you don't need two enclosures. You can just use one like this. There are different colors. See here that I have the blue one, but it also comes in black, white, and pink. You just need to choose the color and you can use the device. You see here that I have already unboxed. Here's the enclosure. It comes with the USB-C to USB-C cable. Here's a thermal pad. And this small piece here is just to hold the module in place. And the user guide, okay? I have removed the module from my computer, from my laptop, so I have Windows on it. And this one is using SATA. So I have the SATA one here, and I also have an NVMe. Let me just approach here so you see better. This one from Western Digital. There we go. And then I have this other one here. I'm gonna test both of them. So one is NVMe and the other one is SATA, right? I've just put the first one here. This one is NVMe. I'll start with this one. Later can check with the SATA, right? So NVMe first from Western Digital. Just need to open the enclosure. See here there's an LED to show that's working. Connector for the USB-C cable. And here you can open the enclosure. Just need to push it away, remove the small cap here and slide like so, right? And it just insert the module here, that way. And it's spring loaded. You see here that it just need to push and use this small rubber to hold it in place, just like so. And then you can use the thermal pad here. Just need to peel the film. I'll just put it here just for the sake of this video, and I'm not gonna peel it right now. Then you put this here as well and just close the enclosure like so. And again, put this in place. Push it and you're good to go. Just connect the cable, so USB-C, and then I connect to my Mac. You can also connect to a Windows computer. And then I can read the module here, right? And you see that starts flashing here, shows that's working. I've just come here to my computer, and from here I can just bring the disk utility on my MacBook, and I see the NVMe module just right here. So it's basically working pretty fine, right? Let me just eject this one. And now I'm going to use the other module, which is a SATA, right? Again, let's just open here, slide it, remove the thermal pad, remove the module. There we go. And now insert the new one. So it's pretty easy. One more time, just put it here. Where did it go? There we go. Just put this in place to secure it. And one more time, this one. And close the enclosure. Connect the cable. Check the LED, it's working. And now for the SATA module, you just need to wait a little bit longer. See here that it doesn't pop up immediately here. You just need to wait like 30 seconds, 40 seconds, about the time, right? And you can also come here to your Finder. You just wait, you're gonna see here, because I already have this formatted, right? Because I'm using Windows on it. So it's already formatted. And then the Finder can see directly here, right? Let's just wait. And there we go. You see here that's working. Pops up here with the Windows files. And here on the disk utility is also working, right? So super simple, works pretty fine. I've been testing this for some time and it works, right? So this is the ORICO, the dual protocol M.2 enclosure. Works with NVMe and SATA. I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.